If you have the Pocket 3, here's two really great accessories from BRDRC. One is a protective cover for the main case that you get with a Pocket 3. It actually goes in right there at the top. It snaps into place, and then now you have a little snap-on case that also gives you a little ring so that you can attach it to like your backpack or something. The other one is this magnetic quick release mount. So here it is right here. This thing is really cool because it has MagSafe on it on the back. So what we're gonna do is pop this thing open. You just press, it says press there, and it opens up. And then you're gonna put this around your Pocket 3. It snaps into place, just like that. It gives you mounting options for like DJI's normal mounts. So if you wanted to put a mount on the front, it will clip into place right there. It also has all of the cutouts so that you can still access that micro SD card, and gives you a cold shoe there. It comes with this wrist strap as well that you can attach to it so that you can keep it around your arm in case you do drop it or something like that. It'll keep it from falling. But the main focus is the MagSafe arm right here. So this is great if you use your phone and you are maybe like looking at bullet points or something like that. You can easily just put your phone on the side, or if you wanted to flip it around, you can kind of angle it how you want. And also this thing moves to the other side. It's just, it's very easy to use, and I find it very useful because I do use my phone a lot when I'm using the Pocket 3, especially if you're doing live streams too. You can like see the chat and things like that. So high quality, great accessories, must have if you have a Pocket 3. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.